What's up and welcome to Clash of Clans number 2. I've just come back, got the gold mine, I've got an achievement, unlock Archer in the barracks, so that's pretty good. And now, upgrade wise, not have much to do, but train up some archers, go 4 archers, 4 barbarians. So now looking at we've got upgrade. We can upgrade our archers again. They're not very efficient, but you know. Level 4 is at the highest. No, we can upgrade it to level 4. This is in got lots of upgrades to do. Yeah. Don't know. Don't know what I've got to do really. For them to do, and then upgrade the elite level 3. Let's upgrade a cannon as well, and even sort of stuff to build. We've got walls, arch tower. So yeah, just wait for all these to get done. Have a few raids, and then we'll get back into grades. Last archer. Let's go into a battle. It's a good base. See, these are all good bases I'm coming up against. Not good. Not good at all. No! Small. Good base. We're finding good bases. We need to get a base quick and fast. We don't have much gold left. Right, I'll have to use some wizards in this one. Well, this is good trophies and good loot, very good loot. This is gonna be a tough raid. We've got a level 2 cannon just sitting there waiting for us. Don't really know what I'm doing in this raid, but I hope we can win it. And hopefully get that gold. Because, quite a bit actually. Get that elixir. See how far I can get with it. I think we could be able to get 100%, I'm not too sure. Depends on how good the wizards are. One of them's nearly dead though, so I'm hoping we can do it. I don't think we will, but let's hope. That's all the thing though. I have to do it. Do it, please. Do it for the boys. No, we haven't done it. Oh well. Oh no! We have. Yes! to win by the boys. What a victory. That means we'll be able to upgrade a cannon. What luck. To upgrade that, I'll take 15 minutes. And really, we can't upgrade anything else. So, I don't know. Oh, 488, what can that do us? No. Oh, I know what we can do. How much does that take? 10,000 to do that. No. I don't think we can do anything. A ball. We could do the barracks, but I really want to do this. I don't want to use these. It's like cheating. It's not good for a series, I guess. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Number 2 episode, I think. Second episode. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.